Welcome to the Scientific Publications channel. Today we will discuss a topic that concerns almost every researcher: how to build a successful academic career and what the real secret behind it is. Many believe that career growth in science simply requires conducting research and occasionally publishing papers. However, the modern academic environment is far more complex. The first secret of successful academic career: systematic publication activity. A scientific publication is not merely a formal stage of research work. It is a way to document scientific results, present them to the academic community, and make research accessible to other scientists. For early career researchers, it is important to begin publishing as early as possible. Initially, this may include publications in local or university journals, conference participation, abstracts, and first articles. This experience helps one understand the structure of academic writing, editorial requirements, peer review process, and academic style. The next stage involves publishing in reputable international journals indexed in Scopus and Web of Science. Such publications most often carry the greatest weight in terms of international recognition, reputation building, and further career advancement. It is important to understand that a successful academic career is rarely built on random publications. It requires strategy, selecting relevant research topics, choosing appropriate journals, properly preparing manuscripts, and understanding how each publication contributes to an author's overall academic profile. The second key factor: scientometric indicators. In most academic systems today, a researcher activity is assessed not only by the number of publications, but also by their impact within the scientific community. For this purpose, scientometric indicators are used. One of the most commonly used is Hirsch index or H-index. It reflects not only how many papers a researcher has published, but also how often those papers are cited. In other words, the H-index combines two aspects: publication activity and research impact. Other indicators also exist: total citation count, average citation per publication, the I-10 index in Google Scholar, and the G-index, which better reflects the influence of a researcher's most highly cited works. It is important to emphasize that scientometric indicators don't replace research quality. They shouldn't be viewed as the sole criteria for evaluating a scientist. Nevertheless, they help provide a general picture of researcher activity, visibility, and academic influence. High metrics can play an important role when applying for grants, competing for academic positions, joining international projects, editorial boards, or peer review teams. The third secret: building scientific reputation and research visibility. Even strong research can go unnoticed if it is published in an unsuitable journal or not integrated into the international scientific context. Therefore, researchers must consider not only the fact of publication, but also where the work is published, whether the topic is relevant, whether the paper meets international standards, and whether it can be of the interest of other scholars. Scientific reputation develops gradually. It is influenced by publications, citation impact, conference participation, collaboration with colleagues, expert presentations, membership in professional associations, and involvement in research projects. In essence, a successful researcher today is not only an author of scientific work, but also an active participant in academic communication. The fourth factor: international collaboration. Many significant studies today are conducted not within a single department or university, but within international research teams. Publishing in reputable journals helps researchers become visible to international colleagues. Through their publications, scholars may receive invitations to collaborate, participate in interdisciplinary projects, attend conferences, undertake research visits, or join international research groups. This is especially important for early career researchers. International communication expands professional opportunities, facilities knowledge exchange, provides feedback, and helps identify global research trends. It is also worth noting that research visibility, both of the work and the author, is enhanced by having profiles on specialized academic social networks such as LinkedIn, Academia Edu, and ResearchGate. These platforms allow researchers to share their work, present key information about their academic activity, and engage with international colleagues. The fifth secret: participation in conferences and research projects. An academic career is not built on publications alone. Conferences, seminars, webinars, grant programs, and research projects all play an important role. Participation in such activities allow researchers to present their work, receive professional feedback, establish new collaborations, and better understand current trends in their field. Moreover, conferences and projects help researchers become part of the academic community rather than working in isolation. This is particularly important for those who aim to develop not only within a national academic system, but also at an international level. So, what is the secret of successful academic career? The secret doesn't lie in a single metric, a single publication, or a single successful project. A successful academic career is the result of systematic effort. It includes high-quality research, consistent publication activity, growth in scientometric indicators, participation in international communication, development of professional reputation, and the ability to strategically promote one's scientific results. It is not about publishing for quantity alone. It is about building a research trajectory in which every paper, every project, and every professional collaboration strengthens your expertise and opens new opportunities. If you would like to develop your academic career, increase your publication output, improve your scientometric indicators, or publish in an international journal, the Scientific Publications team can support you at every stage. We assist researchers with publishing in Scopus and Web of Science journals, selecting appropriate journals, increasing research visibility, and developing academic profiles. Leave a request for a free consultation, and our specialists will help you identify the most effective steps for your academic career. Subscribe to the Scientific Publications channel to receive more useful information about scientometrics, academic publishing, international journals, and researchers' career development. See you in the next videos!